Fried food is not bad. So I am Dr. Anthony Gustin, dispelling some myths that fried food is going to kill you. So vegetable oil is really bad. Flour and sugar are really bad, and these things combined are going to kill you, but not fried food in general. And so let's break these things down. So what is fried food generally? Well, people think that, eating fries, chicken nuggets, and stuff like that, anything fried in oil is just inherently bad because of the fat. That is just not true at all. And so number one, vegetable oil. Yeah, it's toxic, it's terrible. So stuff like soy oil, corn oil, peanut oil, canola oil, all the stuff that people fry foods in currently, yeah, that is terrible. That stuff goes rancid really, really quickly. It's highly oxidative fat. It's gonna wreak havoc in your body. It's not fat that your body should be using. It's highly processed, it's terrible. So let's remove that from the equation. You do not have to fry in vegetable oils. So number two, flour and sugar. These things are highly processed carbohydrates that not only are gonna kick you out of ketosis, but they're just terrible for you in general. So flour and sugar both wreak havoc from an inflammatory process, but also when in high temperatures, that makes things even worse. So you're combining really rancid vegetable oil with highly processed flour and sugar. Yes, that is very bad for you. But when you take foods that are actually healthy for you, so real foods, like say chicken or whatever, and then you fry them in an oil like coconut oil or palm oil that's sustainably harvested, there's no problem. You have actually high temperature resistant fats combined with really healthy foods. Double whammy, great thing. And so fried food in general, the way of cooking, can actually be really healthy for you. It's the vegetable oil, the flour, and the sugar that's gonna kill you. So remove that stuff, and if you do it in the right way, if you wanna get a deep fryer at home and fill it up with palm oil from a really great source, or fill it with coconut oil, and then fry stuff in there, feel free. Just make sure it doesn't have any flour, doesn't have any sugar, and is a real food to start with. And I think you're gonna make a lot better choices for your health. So any fried food favorites of yours, pop them in the comments below. If you have any questions about food preparation or fried food in general, hit me on Instagram. I answer every single direct message. So just @DrAnthonyGustin, and we will see you guys next time.